In this video, I will show you step by step how you can start affiliate marketing business for beginners, easy and simple using free traffic without investing any money. Okay, you can start this business with $0. Okay, I made $150,270 in commission just by promoting affiliate links using free traffic. Okay, and I will share with you guys my method and how you can start for free. Okay, so it took me almost 2 years to earn this commission. I started this business from December 2021. Okay, until today I'm still promoting affiliate links and I'm still getting commission, and right now I have $5,125 in my balance available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. And in today's video, guys, I will share with you how you can start for free. Okay, let's get started. So for people who want to join and start making some commission like this with Fiverr affiliate, what you need to do first, you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do next, you just need to scroll down. So just come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. Okay, so you can check this website and you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying a good commission. If you want to join, just click over here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. What you need to do next, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type, make it private. You will answer a few questions. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country, okay, and choose your language, okay, and put your Skype here. If you don't have Skype, that's fine. Just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. As you can see, anyone can sign up. Sign up process is super easy. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next is you just need to go to Google again, okay, and search for Pinterest. We will use Pinterest to promote our affiliate links for free. Okay, go to Google, search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Make sure to open business account. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr, and now I will share with you guys which affiliate links you should start promoting on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. Okay, click on the search over here and search for Instagram promotion. Okay, search for Instagram promotion. Okay, people who are using Pinterest, a lot of people has Pinterest Instagram page, and those people will be interested to grow their Instagram page, get more followers and grow and more views, more followers. So those people will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link. Okay, search for Instagram promotion, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. So always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose, for example, so this one, for example, is level 2 seller. He has a lot of reviews. This service is just starting from $25. I will click on his service. Just click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do next, you need to copy his profile link. So just copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here and click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next, we just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest, click over here on home feed, click on create pin. Okay, you will be directly in this page. Go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr, scroll down, click on his picture, double click, save image. Okay, and save this picture to your laptop. I will name it Instagram. I will go to Pinterest, I will click over here, and I will upload this picture to my Pinterest account. Open, and here you go. Scroll down, you need to put here title and description. Okay, go back to this seller profile page, copy his title like this. Okay, and go back to Pinterest and put this title over here, description. Go back to this profile seller page, scroll down, you should see about this gig. This is his description. Copy this part, go to Pinterest, put this description here, scroll down, you need to put here your affiliate link. Go to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here, go to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. Click over here on choose a board. If you have a new account, you just need to click on create a board, and you can create just give it a name and that's it, and you can create as many as you want. Okay, so I will choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put here tags or keywords. Okay, go back, so just go back to this seller page on Fiverr and scroll down, keep scrolling down, and you should see related tags. Okay, use those keywords. Okay, copy those keywords, go to Pinterest and put those keywords here like this. Go again and copy those keywords, go to Pinterest and put those keywords here. Go back, okay, go back to this profile page, copy this keyword. Make sure to use all those keywords, okay, because those keywords are very important. After you finish, click over here on publish. Okay, and your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest. Here you go. This is your picture, this is your affiliate link, this is your title, and this is your description. That's how we can promote affiliate links, and that's how we can start affiliate marketing business for beginners step by step without investing any money, using just free traffic. Okay, you should start using Pinterest. So why I choose Pinterest? So did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors? 1 billion monthly visitors. There is so much traffic from Pinterest, guys. Okay, millions of people are using Pinterest. Okay, and if you start promoting your affiliate links, you can get commission. You just need to grow your account, start getting more engagement, more views, and you will start getting more clicks, and you will start making commission if you stay consistent. Of course, because this business need consistency. You cannot make the commission. How much time will take you to make your first commission? I cannot answer this question because it's depending on your work, and if you will really stay consistent and start promoting your affiliate links every single day on Pinterest. If you have new account, promote between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. Okay, if you promote a lot of affiliate links, your account will get banned. Okay, if you have new account, you need to warm your account after a few months, then you can start promoting a lot of affiliate links per day. Okay, and that's it. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.